Alright, this is a video of our machine number 3852. It's a Orbitform Rivet spinner, model number B-700. It's here in our Jackson, Michigan warehouse. The overall table size is 16 inches right to left, 15 inches front to back. It does have a fixture on it. The fixture measures 8 inches wide by 14 front to back. The throat size on it is 8 1/4. Distance floor to bed is 36.5 inches. And it has a number HS-750 spindle on it with a timer and a stroke control knob here. It has a 1 horse 224/40 three-phase motor. It's about 7 foot high as it sits on this table. And here's the control panel complete, and we're going to show it to you run. Here we turn it on. All right. Smooth running machine. Okay, that's it for our 3852. Okay, take that back. We're not finished. We've got a timer here. When the operator holds the palm buttons down, the spindle will stay on bottom. Go ahead and run it down, move. Here, prescribed setup time. Here's the timer. Set now like at 4 seconds. 3 seconds, so that spindle stays down on bottom. And then return. Alright. Good.